Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tally forms to build a feedback app with Airtable. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Log into your Airtable account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, click on the Create a Base button. You can choose to start from scratch, use a template, or import a spreadsheet to create your base. Name your base something like Feedback App to easily identify it later. Now, click on your newly created base to open it. In your base, you will see a default table named Table 1. Click on the name Table 1 and rename it to Feedback. Next, choose the field type based on the feedback you want to collect, such as single line text for names or rating for scores. Add as many fields as necessary to suit your feedback requirements. Once your table structure is ready, navigate to the Airtable homepage and click on Interfaces in the top bar. Select Create an Interface to start building the feedback form. Choose a layout that suits your needs, such as Form 4 Easy Feedback Collection. In the Interface Designer, drag and drop your fields to create a user-friendly form. Customize the form title and instructions to guide users on how to provide feedback. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Generate a shareable link to your form that you can send to your audience. Now, to integrate Tally forms, go to the Tally website in a new tab. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Click on Create a new form to start building your feedback form. You can design your form by adding various question types, such as multiple choice or short answer. Once your form is ready, click on the Settings tab to configure submissions. Under Responses, select the option to send responses to a webhook. Copy the webhook URL that you'll use to connect Tally to Airtable. Now, return to your Airtable base and go to the Automation section in the top menu. Click on Create an Automation and select when a webhook is received as the trigger. Paste the copied webhook URL into the designated field. Next, add an action by selecting Create Record in the Airtable options. Map the fields from your Tally form to the corresponding fields in your Airtable base. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.